Over the next few minutes, I'm going to illustrate the new features of DDEV Preview, a new way to manage, update, and share sites using a set of features that includes cloning, pull requests, the DDEV Live Preview bot, and automatic cleanup when you're done. I'll also be using the popular DDEV Local tool to illustrate a local workflow, although it's not a requirement. I'm an agency developer, and one of my clients is a Drupal-based food magazine site. It's been quite some time since the agency has done any work on the site. It's a bit out of date and it requires some updates, including a core security update. So now I'll log into the backend to actually check to see what updates I'm dealing with here. Good, it looks like it's just a core update. Because the site's hosted on GitHub, I can make quick use of the DDEV Live Preview functionality. I'll check out a new branch. And now I'll grab a quick database from production. So now I'll import the database using DDEV Local, and I can have all the development tools I can be effective and comfortable with. I'll import the database into DDEV Local. Of course, DDEV has Drush built in, so I'll clear the Drupal's caches so I can get a working site in a second. Now with the site running locally, I can also go and confirm that the update is required here as well. Using DDEV Local's built-in support for Composer, I'll update my site using Composer. And just to note, this sequence has been sped up a little. I'll add and commit my Composer files, and I'll push them up to GitHub. Now, as I would for any normal feature, I'll create a pull request. Now, in a moment, I can begin to interact with the DDEV Live bot. This bot will allow me to create sites based on features that I've delivered inside of my pull request. As this pull request is created, it is cloning my production environment and applying the code in my pull request to this new environment. And we'll be able to see shortly a preview site URL showing up that I can send to my clients. And there it is. So we'll log into the back end here and confirm that our update has indeed happened. We want to tidy up. The site has looked good. The client has approved it. We're going to merge the pull request. DDEV Preview automatically cleans up for itself so you don't have sites sitting around wasting resources. Site creation with DDEV Live is easy and painless, so you do it all the time. In this case, I've created a quick demo site to show a client, but I want to go tag it with some tags so I can get my site list organized a little better. I'll also, just because the site's a short-lived site, I'll set an expiration. Give it 5 days and say yes. And now we can see that the site is both configured with the tag and configured to expire. As an agency or developer working with many clients, you know how the occasional update or bug fix can derail you from larger project work. DDEV Live with Preview saves you time. Let us do the tedious work of standing up sites, grabbing databases, and pulling down media assets. Just make a pull request as you would normally and let us build the preview with the latest changes. Thanks for watching.